What it do, gang? Woo did that. Back with another video. You know what the fuck going on, man. So yeah, so we finna get straight to today. We finna today we finna well, I already did it, man. Y'all see I'm sweating like a motherfucker. So today we put the full roof in G by D. Yes, sir. So this is my homeboy junk, right? So this is a Chrysler 300C or S, whatever to call it. Probably the V6 version. But that's the roof that come out of that. And y'all know how I'm coming, man. My homeboy said, damn, it might not fit. This, that, and the third. Shit. I'm Mr. Put that shit in and get that shit on up. It's in there, man. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Man, but it's hard to get in there, man. It's a whole lot of cutting you gotta do to get this roof in there. Let's see the flash come on. Flash won't come on, but yeah, it's a whole lot of cutting you gotta do just to put this roof in there, man. But I'm just letting y'all know. I'm gonna give y'all more updates on this, man, when I finish it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna tune back in with y'all, all right? What it do, gang? Who did that? Back with another video. You know what the fuck going on? Yeah. So today we finna get this old cut dog to the shop, man. Most definitely. That shit look good too. So we finna put on the trailer or whatever. I get out the yard. So we're gonna get it to the shop and go ahead and put that motor in that transmission for my birthday or whatever. Yes, sir. Yeah, there we go. Camera wasn't doing right. Man, that old cut dog look pretty good. Man, you gotta see it from this angle, cuz. Ooh, like the interior done and everything. Nah, boy, we just dreaming. We just dreaming. That's it. I gotta make sure no all the screws and shit still in there. We good then, man. So I'm gonna get y'all back on and put this car in the trailer, alright? What it do, gang? So we back, right? Y'all know what's going on. So like, I give it like 2 weeks, right? It's my birthday on the 23rd of June or whatever. So I'm gonna give it a 2-week bill so I can go ahead and come out for my birthday. It's either that or I'm gonna put some 28s on my green truck. I really ain't made my mind up yet. So either or. I ain't really just sticking on either or. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on whenever we get to my other get to the shop tomorrow. Alright, y'all, we at Cuz house. You know we gotta do us a little stop and check the scraps and stuff like that before we get to moving and stuff. I got like a 30-minute drive to the shop. But man, y'all can't tell me old Cuddy ain't looking goddamn ferocious. She beautiful, man. I got some goodies in the inside to show y'all too, man, whenever I get it off the trailer. Yes, sir. Man, old Cuddy look good, man. I got the grills and stuff like that off. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and get them grills and stuff that I got for it. I've been doing a little working, man. Like I said, I'm gonna turn y'all up and turn y'all in tomorrow, man, whenever I give it off the trailer, man. But I'm finna get some drinks and stuff from this ice cream, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back in, all right? Now hold on, man. I'm gonna go ahead and yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, bro, you ain't got no drinks?
All I got is ice cream right now.
Nah, I'm trying to get some drink. Oh, my bad. All right, brother. Well, he ain't got no drinks for you, boy. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, all right? What it do, gang? Who did that? Back with another video. You know what the fuck going on? This jump here so loud. I gotta put this on the motherfucking camera. Cause I'm gonna get you on YouTube, cause I gotta go and turn you up. Cause I don't know what they doing. I ain't seen this jump on YouTube nowhere. I don't think nobody coming like cuz. Y'all see these lips on that thing? Yeah, we gonna call those cuz and go ahead and squat him some more. He nasty though, man.
Show 'em that truck game, man.
Man, I gotta walk around slow, man. Let them get the whole thing. You hear me? They gonna keep on whining if I don't. This junk's so damn clean. I can't get no music on YouTube. But you can let the windows up and I can see the shake though. I can't get no money for that. Copyright. Matter of fact, you can play it, cause I'm just gonna cut it every 10 seconds. Man, Ripley, Tennessee, man. Them folks coming hard. Stop playing with them boys. Ripley, Tennessee, man. Man, seats done by. I can't even tell you. You can't even put that boy out there like that. He don't even do interior for nobody.
Hugo, man.
Don't put him out there, cuz.
Hugo ain't playing no
Hugo,
games,
man. Migo ready. Come on, man. Look at this stitching. Who coming like this? What you got in here? Some DSL 8s?
DS18.
They jumped in and blow my ears. Y'all see this shake? Chill, man. On camera though, it's gonna look so crazy. Man, the window like this on the camera.